Raise and arm!
You see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Order! Arm! Raise left!
Thank you, Megan. Let me introduce our special guest. Commander of the Korean War Vets, Herbert Spence. Commander of the Marine Corps Elite Detachment, 685, Buck Harris. American Legion Commander, 79, Joe Charlin. VFW Commander, 1143, Vern Drew Jr. Town Supervisor, Gary Edwards. St. Lawrence County Commander of Legion, Wayne Kellogg.